I want to show you a little park that is really nice for beginners skateboarders. It's really nice and you'll love it. I'm gonna show it to you. Right now we have the freezing that we had in Oregon, so it's really there's a lot of trees falling on there, but the path is clear. I made sure I cleared it up, so yeah, so I'll show you. This next part I'm gonna show you is really cool, except for we find some branches on the way, but you see how easy and nice it is. So I'm gonna start going on my skateboard now. As you can see, there are a lot of trees that were down by the ice weather. A lot of these branches are from all those trees, and as you can see there's water on this side because it's been a lot of rain. So yeah, this is a cool area to come and rollerblade, roller skate, skateboarding a little bit, just tiny. It's just really fun to just go down a little bit and then up a little, and then you got it all. That's it. So thank you for visiting. I'll see you next time on my next video.